Hey everybody, JT here, Jonathan Taylor with the CU event Videocast at Apex 2025. We are here almost live at the event. It's almost the end of day one. We're just about to reel out the happy hour. And with us is one of our collab stories that we really wanted to pull together here. We've got Penny Finance and Metro Credit Union. We've got Crissi Cole, CEO and founder of Penny Finance, and we've got Tracy Michel, Chief Operating Officer and Chief Strategy Officer at Metro. Welcome.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. So, how has the conference been for you guys so far?
Great day one. Tons of conversation, lots of good sessions. I'm feeling really good about the next couple days.
How about you?
Same, and I was just telling you, this is the territory we started because we're Boston-based fintech, and so it's good to see a lot of old friends.
I was calling it my fall homecoming because, I see you at multiple, different events, and we kind of do the whole year, and then this is such a nice one to kind of cap off the year. We're all coming home to this. This is a home game for us. I got to drive instead of flying. Isn't that nice? It's so nice. Oh, it's huge. It's actually huge. So it's so nice to see you both. So for the viewers and for the folks out there, talk a little bit about the collaboration between Penny Finance and Metro Credit Union, and really what have you achieved? I think it's really exciting.
Sure. So one of the things that I'm really proud of is the time frame that we've been able to pull all this together in. Really, Crissi and I started working with our teams back at GAC in the spring, and realizing that we had a shared vision for how people could build financial plans and an impact that we could have on our membership, and started to build a plan from there. And we've been in pilot live for several weeks now.
Yep.
So we're already seeing live good impact stories that we can start to tell to both of our organizations. And that's just a time to market that you don't typically see with a lot of partnerships.
For sure. And so for the listeners, what were those pain points or what were those goals that Metro was really trying to solve?
Yeah, for us, we're a low to moderate income credit union. We serve a lot of underserved and unbanked members, and they don't often have access to financial planning resources and tools that the wealthy have, right? And we do have an investment services division that can help members that do have investable assets, but recognized we had a gap for members that wouldn't have the minimum investable amount to bring to a financial planner. And Penny really fills that gap for us.
I love it. So that's a short time frame. How did you collaboratively land a plane that quickly? Well, build the plane and then land the plane that quickly. What do you think was part of that secret sauce?
Yeah, I think one of the things that's special about Metro is they didn't expect everything to be perfect on day one. We decided these are the foundational things that we absolutely need to go live. We need to launch with employees first.
Yeah, good call.
Then we need to build just a light core integration so single sign-on can be possible in the future, but we really want to focus on the core elements that Penny has and get it to market as quickly as possible. So that for us is wonderful because we can go as fast as our partners want to go. And that's how we got this. It literally took us a few months to figure out what's our marketing plan, who are we going to target first, and get this off the ground really quickly.
So I'm really curious and interested to hear more about this pilot or this launch. What were some of the early learnings that it's been a couple weeks now, right? So what are some of the early learnings that you've discovered so far?
So it's so fun. In every implementation, a different super user group emerges in the beginning. And what we're seeing is people claiming they're more secure than anxious, less parents than we usually see in the group, more women, people who have retirement accounts but are not sure if those retirement accounts are invested or not. And we usually see a group of very anxious, don't have retirement accounts yet, our parents juggling a lot of different things. So it's really interesting to see the platform have applicability to different groups, and Tracy and team are already starting to think about, okay, what do we do with this information? How do we find more people like this? But how do we also focus on the original personas we're trying to solve for and make sure that those folks, maybe they just need a little more time to feel comfortable using a platform like this. There could be so many reasons why that super user group emerged early.
I love it. I love it. So, do you guys have an ultimate goal for how long is the launch period? Is it 6 months? Is it a year?
Yeah, we have a few months in order to find areas of impact. And at the end of the day, that's what it's about. It's helping people build financial security. So we want to see outcomes like improved credit scores. We want to see emergency savings being built. We want to see people investing their retirement accounts, as an example. And part of what's so cool to us about doing a pilot is it allows us to test different marketing messaging. It's possible that the outcomes that we're getting today are because we messaged it in a particular way, and we can do some A, B, C messaging and see if we pull in different audiences. If you go all in on a product or solution like this, you don't often get the chance to iterate and see how your actions affect outcomes.
Sure. I love it. I love it. Well, I'm gonna tweak my normal question, which is why Apex? I think we know why Apex. Number one, this is where it all started for you. This is home base for all of us here. But this isn't the only one we go to. We go to a lot of different conferences. I'm just curious, from your standpoint, what is different and unique about Apex from some or many of the other conferences that you go to over the year?
Yeah, I mean, as you said, it's home base. Yeah. So it's a guarantee that I will see credit union peers that I interact with daily, weekly, monthly, right? There's a lot of value in doing that in person. But I love the mix of 50% vendors that we do business with and 50% brand new faces, like Crissi and her team and other fintech teams. Really unique.
Same question to you, Crissi.
I'd say it's hyper-focused on solutions that are purely for credit unions. And credit unions who are truly looking for partners. I mean, all the conferences have their own perks to them,
Sure.
but some are a lot bigger, some are not as focused. So I like that it's super focused and tailored.
It's pretty remarkable when you hear that last year they grew 30%, this year they grew another 15%, and literally sold out. I mean, I had friends that were trying to come and they couldn't come because they waited too long, and you're like, holy smoke. So it's crazy to think that we've, I don't want to say we're outgrowing this space, because who would have ever thought at Mohegan Sun that's possible, but it's great to see that they're doing such a great impact. I think both the CCUA and the CULCT do an awesome job of collaborating together and just really putting together an awesome show. So I love it. I love coming down every year, and it's great to see you both. And congratulations on the launch. And excited to hear where it goes. Now, how many credit unions now is Penny Financial working with?
Live credit unions, we have about 8, and by the end of the year, 12.
I love it.
So hopefully next year when you're interviewing us,
right,
multiple dozens.
Multiple dozens. 2-3 dozen is the French lady say in Maine. 2-3. Well, thank you very much for being on the show. We really appreciate it, and keep up the good work. I'm excited to hear where this goes. And thank you, folks, for sticking with us on this CU event videocast. I am your host, Jonathan Taylor, JT, and we will catch you on the flip side. And also, shout out to our sponsors, CCUA and CULCT. We could not do this without you. We'll see you next time. Thanks.